AI has emerged as a transformative force in drug discovery and development, revolutionizing multiple process phases. Has this change come to stay? What are its limitations? Researchers have been looking for a way to make the drug discovery process faster for many years, but all efforts have been futile. The process has become even more risky and expensive. Drug development consists of several specific steps. It typically begins by identifying a biological target responsible for a disease, DNA, RNA, a protein receptor, or an enzyme. Then scientists search for molecules that could interact with this target, known as the discovery stage. Most drugs involve small molecules as candidates, and medicinal chemists strive to enhance their effectiveness and minimize associated issues. If this process succeeds, researchers create a lead molecule for the next phase, preclinical testing. This phase involves tests that help scientists understand how a drug candidate is transported, broken down, and eliminated from an animal's body. It also addresses questions about safety and proper dosage before a drug can proceed to clinical trials. On average, the combined discovery and preclinical stages span around 6 years. In February 2022, a study by researchers at Boston Consulting Group, BCG, located in Massachusetts, analyzed the research pipelines of 20 relatively new pharmaceutical companies that heavily incorporated artificial intelligence, AI, between 2010 and 2021. Using publicly available data, the BCG team determined that approximately 15 drug candidates had advanced to the clinical trial stage. Subsequently, they reconstructed the development timelines of 8 of these candidates. The consultants discovered that all 8 had reached clinical trials within a decade, with 5 achieving this milestone faster than the historical average timeframe. How can this process be improved upon with AI? AI has great potential in drug discovery due to the complexity, time, and cost of creating new drugs. According to the Tufts Center for the Study of Drug Development, making and getting approval for a new drug averages around $2.558 billion. Pharma states that the journey from initial discovery to getting a drug to the market takes at least 10 years, with roughly 6 to 7 years focused on clinical trials. Thanks to technology, hundreds of thousands of compounds can be screened, with only 1 or 2 potentially becoming successful lead candidates. That's why some of the biggest pharmaceutical companies are adopting artificial intelligence to streamline this process. AI holds significant promise in drug discovery. Key opportunities include identifying new potential drugs, enhancing predictions of a drug's success in later testing, swiftly identifying drug combinations for treatment, and developing personalized medicine based on genetic markers globally. Both pharmaceutical giants and smaller research facilities are embracing these opportunities, recognizing the importance of advancing drug discovery to benefit the global scientific community and patients worldwide. Certain startups leverage AI to construct comprehensive databases by analyzing scientific literature, enabling researchers to extract organized medical information for drug discovery. Meanwhile, some companies utilize AI to forecast potential drug candidates using neural networks and organic chemistry data. Given the substantial challenges in early development, any tools that can accelerate the process and address these issues are valuable to explore, as they can have significant implications throughout the entire drug development chain. The drug development process is lengthy and demanding. It's no surprise that pharmaceutical firms are increasingly relying on artificial intelligence to enhance the success rates of new drugs, create more affordable medicines and therapies, and reduce operational costs. Technology, particularly AI, has become a valuable asset for pharmaceutical companies in the face of growing patient numbers and elevated standards of care. AI empowers healthcare organizations to gain fresh insights and make quicker patient decisions. It's aiding in discovering cures, expediting drug development, advancing genomics research, and uncovering novel treatments. AI is vital in addressing the challenges posed by an aging population and increasing healthcare expenses. It assists in identifying new drug targets and forecasting patient responses to specific treatments, promising invaluable support in diagnosing and treating a wide range of diseases, including cancer and diabetes. The pharmaceutical industry is increasingly adopting AI for drug targeting. AI algorithms excel at sifting through data to identify patterns and make predictions. For instance, cancer researchers harness AI to uncover small molecules that activate tumor-suppressing genes. AI accuracy versus human accuracy. AI algorithms hold the potential to surpass human accuracy in forecasting drug behavior in humans. This capability has the potential to save time and resources by eliminating the necessity for human trials before administering drugs to humans. Technology is pivotal in efficiently identifying and mapping the right key opinion leaders, KOLs, for pharmaceutical companies from a vast pool of clinicians. Manual searches for KOLs with the necessary domain expertise and medical community connections can be challenging and time-consuming. AI helps streamline this process and reduces the time required to find the most suitable KOLs. Machine learning aids medical science liaisons, MSLs, in swiftly and accurately extracting valuable insights from vast data sets. These MSLs leverage KOLs, who effectively influence large groups to train machine learning systems, uncovering the patterns that link them. This common thread enables the anticipation of which key opinion leaders in the pharmaceutical industry best fit a specific MSL team's unique requirements. An excellent illustration is how certain global pharmaceutical companies have minimized communication gaps by employing AI to identify key opinion leaders more efficiently. Through an AI-powered dashboard, they use analytics to rank industry experts based on their digital presence, sphere of influence, and subject matter expertise. This approach enhances their engagement with top influencers in the field. Through equipping and aligning sales leads with crucial information, this solution not only reduced rejections and improved KOL satisfaction, but also boosted the effectiveness of natural language processing. It also led to a remarkable reduction of up to 15% in communication barriers between the sales and marketing teams. What are the challenges associated with AI? The application of AI in this intricate field comes with its challenges. The effectiveness of AI is reliant in part on the quality and quantity of training data it receives. It's imperative to furnish it with substantial information, as this plays a pivotal role in determining its success. AI faces a formidable task in drug discovery. While knowing a protein's structure is an initial step, discovering new drugs necessitates understanding how that protein will interact with a unique drug structure. However, there is often a lack of binding data for genuinely novel compounds, and AI tools currently face limitations in making such predictions. The existing constraints of AI in drug discovery primarily revolve around the data at hand. Current AI methods face significant challenges in autonomously uncovering groundbreaking new drugs. In many cases, companies that claim to have discovered drugs with AI have, in reality, produced minor variations of established drug structures. Researchers must turn to computational methods because it's nearly impossible to generate experimental binding data for these new drug structures due to the extensive time and cost involved. They simulate protein-drug interactions using exact molecular physics models. Standard physics models aren't sufficient. Scientists need advancements in physics simulations to produce the data necessary for training advanced AI models. Subsequent experimental data on promising novel structures can further refine these AI models, enabling researchers to design and enhance new drugs methodically. AI might not be the answer to all drug discovery problems. AI is a valuable tool in drug discovery, but it's not a panacea. Successfully navigating the vast realm of potential new small molecule drugs demands the thoughtful integration of AI, physics, chemistry, and biology. Small molecule drug discovery necessitates progress across multiple domains and the judicious application of these integrated tools. It's essential to recognize that AI has its strengths and limitations and to employ it where it can provide the most value. Contemplating the future of drug discovery in the fast-evolving technological landscape, it becomes clear that AI is a vital component. However, success lies in constructing and employing the complementary tools necessary to produce high-quality data. AI is a powerful tool, but its effectiveness depends on the data it operates on. There are additional challenges in harnessing the advantages of AI. AI systems, particularly those based on generative AI, suggest potential drug molecules by leveraging patterns learned from training data to generate new data with similar attributes. This approach can introduce issues. Just as the chatbot ChatGPT sometimes causes fictional responses when answering user questions, a similar challenge arises in drug discovery when AI suggests substances that are impossible to create. These challenges can be addressed by manually encoding knowledge of molecular structures and using complementary AI tools to enhance the accuracy and feasibility of AI-generated drug candidates. For AI systems to enhance their capabilities, individuals must create and assess the molecules these systems propose. The outcomes from these assessments need to be integrated into the AI systems. Academic computational groups can assist by predicting the properties of molecules, but these predicted values can only serve as partial validation for the models. What other limitations do you think AI in drug discovery will face? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Remember to subscribe to our channel if you found this content valuable. We'll see you in the next one.